this is your first time seeing a fan, what do you think? Hi, sweetie. We're sucking the air out of our temperature-controlled room, and we're sending it down the hallway because out of the other side, because that's physics. You're a little scientist. Are you investigating? You don't get too close. Don't put your face. Okay? There's plastic blades in there. No, we're not chewing the cord. Or that's just the sticker on the cord. Maybe I'll remove that. Good heavens. Yeah? Are you becoming comfortable with this? Don't put your face inside. I guess your face won't fit inside, right? That's literally the point of the protective shield. To protect you. And little creatures like you, your little nosy won't actually fit in there. Well, that's reassuring. I think my pinky might, but I'm not gonna try. Yeah? Alright, good. I'm glad. Goodness.
This is a good fan. It's just quite loud. This is the softest setting. As a tweak increased. This is medium. And this is the strong high level.
Do you want to sleep with that on? I don't know.
I'm catching you in a room. You're gonna be in jail.
These are the feet that swivel in and out. So if you have it in, you can like tuck it into your windowsill. And then if you have it out, then it's more sturdy. Here you go on the floor so it won't tip over. And yeah, don't mind my cat hair.
An option is about 2 meters away from the fan. It's that full speed. Absolutely brilliant. So it is hitting something right up here.
Fill it out correctly so it's not rejected, and any other questions you might have about voting. Another critical piece of all of this is that unless the presidential election is a clear
My AC is not plugged up because I use that fan, which is amazing. Saves me a lot of money.